Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be going over a proof that claims 1 is equal to 2. Now obviously this isn't true, but the logic behind the proof will show you why you cannot divide by 0 in math, so stick around until the end. This won't be a long video, and if you find it interesting or useful, please remember to like and subscribe, and anyways, let's begin. So, the proof goes as follows. Let's say A is equal to B, and if we multiply both sides by A, we have A squared is equal to AB. And on both sides, if we subtract by b squared, we get a squared minus b squared is equal to ab minus b squared. So you can notice on the left hand side, this is just a difference of squares. So we could rewrite this as a plus b times a minus b. And on the right hand side, you can see there's a common factor of b. So we could factor out a b and we have b times a minus b. So next, if we divide both sides by a minus b, what we're left with is just a plus b is equal to b. And if you remember, we said a is equal to b, so a is just b. So we could write b plus b is equal to b, which shows that 2b is equal to b. And if we divide both sides by b, we have 2 is equal to 1. So obviously something went wrong because we know that 2 is not equal to 1. So where is it? So if you want to pause the video and try to guess, yeah, you could do that. And right now I'll just show you it is over here where we divided by a minus b. So if you remember that a equals b, what does that mean for a minus b? Well, it just means a minus b would be equal to 0. So in reality, what we did here was just divide by 0. And now, why can't we divide by 0? So, what is this division? So, when you divide two numbers, let's say a and b, it produces another number, c. What this also means is a would be equal to c times b, because over here, if you multiply both sides by b, you'll just get a. So, what if our b is equal to 0? Then this is saying a divided by 0 is equal to c, and a is equal to c times 0. Now obviously this would only be true if a is 0, but if a is anything else, this would be false because we know that anything times 0 is 0, so c times 0 will always be 0. So this leads to a contradiction, and hence we can't divide by 0 in math because it leads to contradictions. So yeah, that was the video. If you found it interesting, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.